The seventh constellation is called Punarvasu. The name, if I spell in Sanskrit, Punar means again or repeat, and Vasu means good, obedient, fixed. It is 10 degrees in the Gemini, starting from the 20 degree to 30 minutes, and 3 degree 20 minutes into the Cancer. Punarvasu Nakshatra is owned by Jupiter, whereas the Gemini, the 10 degrees and 3 padas or 3 charan or 3 parts of this constellation is in the sign Gemini. So Jupiter and Mercury and Jupiter and Moon. Jupiter and Moon goes to the 4th charan in the sign Cancer. The two stars above the Gemini, it is little bent, looks like sometimes 4 stars looking as 2 stars. It's one of the auspicious constellations considered in the Vedic philosophy. Resettlement also can be taken as a part of it. As I told you, it starts from 20 degrees in the Gemini and 3 degree 20 minutes into the Cancer. Its lord is Jupiter. It is a male constellation, and the symbol sometimes denoted as the female cat. Its direction is north, and the phonetics vibrations heard in the constellations are K, Ko, Ha and He. The deity of this constellation is Aditi. If you have listened to the autobiography of Sun, when the Aditi could not tolerate the heat of Sun, came to the earth, made her home at the earth, so also considered as the goddess of the earth. The persons born in Punarvasu Nakshatra looking intelligent, more into business, and can deal into the yellow items, as the color of the Gemini is green but Jupiter is light yellow and Cancer is white. Do not go into the mining business but deal in the products of the mining coming out of the mines after their work starts. The persons born in the Punarvasu ascendant are very passionate, intelligent people, very good business instinct, earning money, materials are their cup of tea, but very charitable. They are very close to the artists. They are friends of the artists, though they never involve themselves into acting, but they can do very good mimicry. Persons born in the moon sign Punarvasu, if the moon is in the Punarvasu constellation, the persons are very content. They get contentment very easily. Good friends, especially of the opposite sex. But troubles in marriage is evident, is seen by the researchers. Due to their goodness and good behavior, people take them as granted. But success in business is also inevitable. Inevitable and are their aims of life. If the sun is in the Punarvasu Nakshatra constellation, the people are regarded in the society. They are the society cubs, leaders. They can mold the people as they wish. Speech is very intellectual, goes to the heart, deeper into the heart. They are spiritual teachers, mystics, good astrologers, good for the society. They have got the capability of changing the habits of the people. So they are good managers, administrators. I have seen very good actors, versatile actors, classical actors also born in the Punarvasu constellation. The persons born in the first 3 degrees 20 minutes, starting from the 20 degrees, say up to 23 degree and 20 minutes, are jovial persons, joke cutting. They always cut joke. Even on the serious matters, they take it very lightly. Broad chest, heavy body, looking like silver, not very fair or on the blackish side. Very good warriors because of their broad shoulders. Born in the second part of the Nakshatra, 3 degrees 20 minutes, the second charan of the constellation, the persons are bit wheatish. They love being dressed up in beautiful dresses, loves ornaments, wants to look beautiful among us the people. Bit obesity. You can see them, they are not stout, but fluffy body. Gets angry easily. Does not take even a smaller joke on themselves, though they joke with everybody. Born in the third part of the constellation, they have got white eyes. You will find them very bright black eyes, and their back of the eyes you will find a lot of whiteness. So prominent eyes. Color like a blood, not white, not wheatish. Loves to know the past. Very good historians, scientists, researchers. Born in the fourth part of this charna, the pada, the part of this constellation, falling in Cancer. Now this Jupiter and Moon combination, they are beautiful people, loved by all. They have got excellent personality, white color, excellent hair, good mind, and can see what's happening behind the wall. Intuition powers are immense. You can equate the persons born in the moon sign of the Punarvasu like the Lord Ram, the planner.